Okay, simple future tense is used to denote the simple future action. Simple future action. You see, let's discuss simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to denote the simple future action. The future actions, simply actions. Understand? Simple future tense is used to denote the future action. Number one, you will buy a car in 2025. You will pass the exam. You will participate in the exam next year. You will participate you will participate the final examination on Sunday. On coming Sunday, understand? On coming Sunday. Simply denotes the function, understand? Aram will go to Pokhara, will go to Pokhara, P capital. Ram will go to Pokhara, the day after tomorrow. They will participate in football competition next year. Understand? These are the examples. Simple future tense is used to simply denotes. It's not past, simply denotes to denote the future action. He will buy a car in 2025. He will participate the final examination coming Sunday. This is fixed. Ram will go to Pokhara the day after tomorrow. They will participate in football competition next year. These are the example of simple future. Future tense is simply denotes the future. Simply denotes the future action. Simply denotes the future action. In this condition, we have to use simple future tense, or simple future tense is used to denote the simply action in coming future, near future. Simply denote the function in future. Understand? In this condition, we have to use simple future tense. Alright, this is the condition that we have to use simple future tense.